Hello guys. Hey, I think everyone is fine. Today we are going to learn about how to make your text bold using HTML. Okay. What we are going to do, we begin with creating the text file. Say new. Text document. Let us name it index. Index. Okay. Double click to open it. As last time I told you, uh, if we are creating like the website, we start with these two lines, HTML. Close it. Body. Close. Actually, you can just copy all of these ones and paste here. Put this. Okay. Now this is where we're going to put our information, whatever we want to appear on our website. Let us save. Trans trans link online. Okay. Now this is the information that is going to be on our website. Okay, let us first see if it is there, if our codes are working. Save as. We'll leave it at index as index, but we change this one to file extension HTML. Save. Now let us see where is our file. And now okay, it is still text. It's just because we didn't actually change it. Just a moment, let me turn this one on. File extensions. Okay, now I can close this one, this one. Okay, it is already open here. Okay, let us first save this one. Save. Okay, now we save as. Okay, it was a mistake in the extension. It is HTML. Okay, ML. Okay, it is here. If we open it, it should it should open what we want it to open with the name TransLink Online. See, it is there in the browser. It has found it. Now this is not the main task for us to do. What we have to do, we are going to make this word bold. Okay, now we come back to our text. It is here. It is here. Okay, now we come here to the word TransLink, the one which we want to make bold. You put this less than, you put B. Okay, you close it. You come to at the end of the word, you put the less than sign, you put the slash, you put the greater than sign. Okay, okay, it has save. Okay, now we have to save as. Okay, come back here, we make it HTML. Okay, so save to tell us that index.html already exists. Do you want to replace it? We say yes. Okay, we can close this one. We open. See, our word is bold.